Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this. So Mimi, USB-C extension cable. This is a USB Type-C 3.2 extender, male to female, 100 watt and 20 gigabit per second data transfer and 4K 60 Hz video sync compatible cable with USB-C phone, tablet, laptop, or app for the iPhone, for the MagSafe charger, and more cable set. It is possible to get this in 0.65 feet or 3.9 feet. I have both to show you in that video. These are 20 gigabit per second of data transmission. This is fast, really fast, because the SoloMimi USB-C extender adopts the USB 3.2 Generation 2 compliant, which is 4 times faster than the USB 3.0 with 5 gigabit per second. Now we are able to transfer a 10 gigabyte file in only 30 seconds, and it can backward compatible with USB 3 and 2. No problem, you can make a data transfer with that too. To reach the 20 gigabit per second, of course, transfer speed, we should make sure that the connected cable or the device supports that and USB 3.2, of course. And of course, we have a wide compatibility. The SoloMimi Type-C extender cable is compatible with the most USB-C devices out there, including the iPhone, MacBook, Samsung Galaxy devices, Dell laptops, Switch, Steam Deck, iPad. USB-C female port is compatible with USB-C, CF, SD, and TF card reader. Multi-port USB-C hub, docking station, MagSafe charger, USB-C make cables for extension and embedded adaptation. And if you need it, 4K 60 Hz video and audio output. The video resolution can go up to 4K. These are 3840 to 2160 with 60 Hz. And it's of course backwards compatible with 2K and 1080p. The Type-C extension cable to extend our laptop or to a television, for example, to a display, to a monitor, for electronic learning, for the work, for gaming, or for movies. Of course, we shall make sure that we input and output devices in USB-C in and out function, USB 3.2 version or Thunderbolt 3. And it's reliable and durable because we have a premium nylon braided cord. This makes this USB 3.2 extension cable more flexible and durable for use. Sturdy metal shell adopts the laser welding tech to prevent a connector from corrosion, scratch, and breaks. Reinforced joint that withstand over 15,000 and more plug tests to differentiate it from a normal easy broke steps down joint. It should be not compatible with the Thunderbolt 4 or 5 device, Oculus Quest Link. When it doesn't work, is accepted. While we connect it to USB-C to peripherals, for example, we try to reverse the connector to a plug and try it again. Wow. SoloMimi. Connect USB device to USB-C laptops, tablets, or phones. Convert USB easy peasy with a LANX adapter. 20 gigabit per second, 100 watts is possible. And of course, 4K 60 Hz. If we use a low wattage charging cable, the charging speed will of course decrease, but it will be delivered. We have laser shielding, we have braided cord, and we have a metal shell. This comes with reinforced joint, and A good job. For USB-C hub, for USB-C cable, for the MagSafe USB-C adapter, for the docking station, for C2 HDMI, for Google Pixel, for Samsung, for Switch, for iPhone, for tablet, for laptop, for Steam Deck, and. This all is possible with this professional extension cable in USB-C by Solmimi. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun.